Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 23 of the Adobe XD tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to simulate a slide in design inside of Adobe XD. So what I have here is we don't actually have a slide in effect, but we can create that effect by using the prototype animation. So what I'm going to do is I have my layout right here and I have my layout right here. So whenever I want to click this, I want the slide in menu to pop up, and whenever I click over here, I want the slide in menu to disappear. So for that, I want to create a blur effect over here in this section. So I'm going to take my my shape right here, and I'm going to use background blur. So that's how you can blur out the background. As you see, I'm going to decrease the amount so that it only blurs out a little bit. And I'm going to move down the rectangular below the menu so that only the background blurs out and the menu stays as it is. So once I do that, I have what it takes. So once I click here, I want this to actually appear. So I'm going to go on to mobile preview now. My live preview now, and you can see that the live preview is actually there. So I'm going to go to prototype first, and then I'm going to link these out. So I'm going to select this one. This will be the home button right here, and I'm going to select this icon right here. All right, and then link it out onto this page right here. And for now, I'm going to select none, and over here on this one, I'm going to drag it onto this section and none as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do desktop preview right here and click here and click here again, and you can see that this will drop down just like that. But I want to create an effect right here, so I want this to slide down. So I'm going to select the transition right here. So just select this one out here, click on this, and there you can see transition. So I want this to slide down. So let me see how that looks now. So if you were to preview this, and if I were to click this, you can see that the slide down effect actually comes just like that. So I want to make this quick because it does not seem as it is happening in the right way. So slide down, I'm going to say 0.2 seconds, or I can type in the seconds as well. So just going to click this and then click this, and you can see that the slide down effect happens quite instantly. So I'm just gonna make it 1 second right here. So just gonna click this, just gonna click this over here, and then over here I'm gonna do 0.1. all right, there you go. So now for this, I want this to slide up. So just click over here, and then on over here, do slide up, and gonna do 1, just like this. And once I do that, what happens is that this will actually slide up. So once I go to the preview right here, you can see that I can actually click this, and this will go down, and once I click this, it'll go up. So you can see that the slide-in effect happens just like that, and that is how you can create a slide-in menu-like effect just like that over here inside of XD. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.